Welcome to the letter quiz. Today we have 26 questions for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Can you guess all 26? Let's go. In Greek mythology, which idyllic region symbolizes a perfect, harmonious wilderness where pastoral life exists in pure simplicity? The correct answer is Arcadia. Arcadia represents an imaginary place of pristine wilderness and pastoral peace in classical Greek culture. Which type of extreme winter storm features wind speeds over 35 miles per hour and significant snowfall lasting at least 3 hours? The correct answer is blizzard. Blizzards are severe winter storms characterized by intense winds and heavy snowfall that create dangerous visibility conditions. What is the powdery residue remaining after combustion of a solid fuel like wood or coal? The correct answer is cinder. Cinders are the lightweight, ash-like remains produced when organic materials are burned at high temperatures. What describes the first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise, marking the transition from night to morning? The correct answer is daybreak. Daybreak represents the precise moment when the first light appears on the horizon, signaling the start of a new day. What acoustic phenomenon occurs when sound waves reflect off a surface and return to the listener? The correct answer is echo. An echo is the repetition of sound waves bouncing back from a distant surface, creating a delayed reflection of the original sound. What type of short story typically features animals as characters and concludes with a moral lesson? The correct answer is fable. Fables are traditional narrative forms that use anthropomorphic characters to teach a universal moral or life lesson. What describes an extremely delicate, light, and translucent material, often associated with spider webs? The correct answer is gossamer. Gossamer refers to something incredibly thin and delicate, originally describing the fine silk threads spun by spiders. What describes an object or space that is empty or contains a vacant interior? The correct answer is hollow. Hollow describes a three-dimensional space or object that is empty or contains a vacant internal area. What describes a surface that displays shifting colors when viewed from different angles, similar to a peacock's feathers? The correct answer is iridescent. Iridescence is an optical phenomenon where surfaces appear to change color depending on the viewing angle and light. What commemorative term describes a special anniversary, typically celebrating 25, 50, or 100 years of an event? The correct answer is jubilee. A jubilee marks a significant milestone or anniversary, often celebrated with special ceremonies and commemorations. What philosophical concept from Eastern cultures describes predetermined destiny or fate? The correct answer is kismet. Kismet is an Arabic word meaning fate or destiny, often used to describe the idea that events are predetermined. Which celestial body orbits Earth and influences ocean tides? The correct answer is lunar. The lunar body, or moon, is Earth's only natural satellite and plays a crucial role in planetary dynamics. What term describes an unsolved or puzzling event that challenges understanding? The correct answer is mystery. A mystery represents an unexplained phenomenon or narrative that intrigues and challenges comprehension. Which type of traveler moves from place to place without a permanent home? The correct answer is nomad. Nomads are individuals or groups who travel continuously, traditionally following animal herds or seasonal patterns. What supernatural sign is believed to predict future events or outcomes? The correct answer is omen. An omen is a phenomenon considered a sign or portent of future events, often interpreted as good or bad. What optical device separates white light into a spectrum of colors? The correct answer is prism. A prism is a transparent object that refracts light, causing it to disperse into its component wavelengths. What site is used for extracting stone minerals or other geological materials? The correct answer is quarry. A quarry is an open-pit excavation site where rock, sand, gravel, or minerals are extracted from the earth. What mental state involves pleasant daydreaming or pleasant wandering thoughts? The correct answer is reverie. Reverie describes a state of being pleasantly lost in one's thoughts, often involving imagination and fantasy. What astronomical event marks the longest or shortest day of the year? The correct answer is solstice. A solstice occurs twice yearly when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point relative to the equator. What transitional period occurs between daylight and complete darkness? The correct answer is twilight. Twilight is the soft glowing light from the sky when the sun is below the horizon, before sunrise or after sunset. In music, what term describes multiple voices or instruments playing exactly the same note simultaneously? The correct answer is unison. Unison refers to sounds or notes performed at the exact same pitch, creating a harmonically synchronized sound. What word describes a risky business enterprise or a bold new undertaking with potential financial gain? The correct answer is venture. A venture represents a new business project or startup that typically involves significant risk and potential innovation. In folklore, what supernatural term describes a ghostly apparition or spectral spirit often associated with impending death? The correct answer is wraith. A wraith is a pale, shadowy supernatural being traditionally believed to be an omen of death or a wandering spirit. What botanical term describes a plant specifically adapted to survive in extremely dry or desert environments? The correct answer is xerophyte. Xerophytes are specialized plants with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in arid conditions with minimal water. Which rare English word describes a dreamy, absent-minded state of being mentally distant or preoccupied? The correct answer is yonderly. Yonderly is an archaic term describing a state of being mentally distant, lost in thought, or seemingly disconnected from immediate surroundings. What type of ancient Mesopotamian architectural structure was a massive stepped pyramid typically used for religious ceremonies? The correct answer is ziggurat. Ziggurats were massive terrace structures built by ancient Mesopotamian civilizations as religious temples dedicated to specific deities.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.